All right, guys, they may take off now that I parked and got out. He's got somebody in the back of his car. There's 3 cops up here, Sheriff's Department, Palm Avenue in Highland. Yeah, they're taking him out and taking the cuffs off after they've searched his car. Her car. There's the other guy. So we searched the car. We got here a little late, but they're still here. So they had her handcuffed in the back of the car. Him too. So they're making him put all his stuff back in. Four cop cars have this person. Again, they had her in the back of the car. Searching it. Him over here parked. So we'll come back here. Try to see what the call was for. We got another cop over here. I was trying to see the car number. So as soon as we pulled up, walked up, they let him go, and I'm not saying that was the reason, but it always helps to have a camera around when the cops are around. They went back up that way.